stirring flakes. And we have a spoon to mix everything, and a bowl to melt it, and some color, and a little bit of scent to make it nice and smellful. And then we have two molds to put it in and color. Start melting the glycerin. Then we're going to put some color and the scents. We're going to melt it. So we're going to melt it for 10 seconds, and then we'll add the color and the scents. It's special. The glycerin, it looks like this. The color, the red in the first one, and the second one in yellow, and then we'll add the scents. Different soaps. Now we're going to put in the freezer. Put it in the freezer. Now we'll have to wait. For the soaps, it looks like this. So we're going to remove it. Ooh. Well, how nice it is. It's so good. And the smell are excellent. It smells like rose. The red one came pretty shiny. So with the yellow, but the yellow came out even more shinier. Hope you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget. Bye-bye.